In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Face ID is not working after updating your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Face ID and passcode. Now from here, you have to give your passcode. Once you give the passcode, what you need to do is if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called Reset Face ID. If you have this option, you have to tap on it and reset the Face ID and you have to check. But most probably, if you scroll it down a little bit, you can see there is an option called Stolen Device Protection. In my case, this is turn it off. But for most of the users, this might be turn it on. If that is the case, you'll not have an option to reset the Face ID. So if that is the case, what you need to do is you have to take a complete backup of your iPhone. You have to take a backup. After taking the backup, you have to erase your iPhone. Then you have to restore the backup. Then you have to reset the Face ID and you have to check. Now this is what you have, and this is only the one solution that's going to work for you guys. Trust me, and this is what you have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.